Craig here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you one method that you can use to transfer a self-hosted WordPress website from one domain to a different domain. Now before I begin, I do want to point out that if you're a member of Wealthy Affiliate and you're using their hosting, they do have a move feature built into the hosting. So if both domains are on the Wealthy Affiliate hosting, you can use the move feature. You simply select which domain name you want to transfer it to. The same applies for shared accounts with HostGator. They have a domain file swapper. You simply select which domain name you want to transfer the content to, and it's completed with a few clicks of the button. Now I also have a VPS hosting with HostGator, and inside my control panel there, none of these features exist. So I'm going to show you the method that I use when I want to transfer a client's website to their domain name after it's been built and approved. So what we have here is just a demo website, and it's on the domain name smartphoneCameraLenses.com. This is actually hosted over at Wealthy Affiliate. So what I want to do is put it on a domain name on my shared hosting. So to do this, we need to log into our dashboard, and we are going to search for a plugin called WP Clone. And once you locate it, it's this one here, WP Clone by WP Academy. Install it and activate it. So once it's activated, you'll see a new button in the menu, WP Clone. And now we are going to create our very first backup. So this is checked by default, so just hit Create Backup. And there we go, we have a complete backup of our WordPress website. If we click on this link, it's going to download the backup to our hard drive. That's recommended, but it's also going to leave a copy on the hosting server. It's inside the Uploads folder, and it's got the timestamp, etc. So inside this zip file is going to be the content of the WP content folder of your WordPress installation, and it's going to contain your database. It does not contain WP admin or WP includes content. So the next step would be to install WordPress on the domain name that you want to switch the website over to. So with HostGator, we are going to come down and go to Quick Install. And we're going to select WordPress, and we'll hit Continue. I'm going to be installing WordPress on this domain, madewithstone.com, and we're going to put it in the root directory of video123. So I'm going to fill out my information here, and then we are going to click on Install Now. Now this is somewhat irrelevant because it's all going to be replaced once we install our backup. So if you've never seen this before, basically HostGator is going off installing WordPress. Now if you're using a different type of hosting, you can also use Fantastico Deluxe or whatever programs you have to install WordPress. So I'm going to copy my password, and we are going to log into our new WordPress website. And we are now inside our new WordPress website. I'll just show you what it looks like. So this is Made with Stone Video 123. So the next step is we have to go and install WP Clone on this new WordPress website. So I'm going to click Install Now. I'm going to activate the plugin and then head over to WP Clone. So next we have to jump back over to the website that we want to transfer, and we are going to click Copy URL. And we're going to jump back over to the Made with Stone website, and we are going to click Restore from URL, and then we're going to paste in where we have the backup clone located. And we have to agree to this because it's basically going to eliminate this new blog installation and replace it with the clone one. So I'm going to click Restore from URL, press OK. It normally takes a couple of seconds, and there we go. So if I press F5, here we go. We've now transferred this WordPress website over to this domain name. If you try to log in, it's not going to be, these login details no longer exist. It's going to be the login details we used to access the domain when it was on smartphoneCameraLenses.com. So that is how you can transfer a self-hosted WordPress website from one domain to another.